Oh boy. 3 homemade sugar rockets I made earlier. I've got this styrofoam plane. Just gonna put it together and we're gonna strap the rockets to it. We got the plane put together. I think I'm gonna strap one of the small rockets right to the bottom of it here with some tape and PVC. I have this piece of PVC I made up earlier, so the rocket will just fit in just like that, and then the end is blocked off. Okay, that looks pretty good. That should hold it. I don't think that's going anywhere. I'm gonna try this bottle rocket first that I've got here. So remove the stick, and I'm gonna remove the explosive, the report. That's the report end, and then this is just the rocket, the screaming rocket. Just gonna place the rocket in like this. Now it's quite loose, but because I designed this to fit the sugar rockets I made, as you can see, it's a pretty nice snug fit. So I'm just gonna use a piece of cardboard to try and wedge it into. Yeah, so this is a really small rocket engine, so I'm not expecting it to do much, but definitely the sugar rockets will for sure. Well, let's just give this a shot. Yeah, so this rocket was way too small, and the wings got caught in the grass, of course. But I'm gonna try a little launch pad with the sugar rocket. Oh, crap. Wait, let me put the piece of cardboard in first. Okay, it's pretty solid. Okay, sugar rocket motor, first test. Got the launch pad set up this time. All right, let's fire it up. Woohoo! Damn, just nose dived. I think it's a little bit too nose heavy. Oh, look at the scorch line. There it is, it's still in perfect condition. Let's load up one more motor, and I'm going to attach a camera to the back of it to counteract the weight at the. So I got this small little camera. It has a bit of weight to it, so I'm not sure how this is going to work, but it's worth a try. I'm going to mount it right here. Yeah, so I just got the camera mounted on. Sugar rocket motor. Angle it. I got a bit of angle, bit of leverage here, so I'm gonna ram in a bit of cardboard underneath it. So hopefully the nozzle won't be facing directly into the camera. New motor's loaded up. I got it angled away from the lens. Oh boy. Yeah, it's way too bottom heavy. Oh yeah, after blasting the lens. That's all good. So I've got my last sugar rocket motor. I've just removed the camera. So we're just gonna try it without it again. Oh, the wind's kind of taking it. Oh yeah. That worked a lot better than the first one, I think, because I had the motor angled a bit more towards the ground, so it got a bit more lift on it. There it is. It's still in perfect condition. Yeah, that was pretty cool experiment. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.